Planning for an India trip, you might know Delhi for the Red Fort, for India Gate, maybe even Chandni Chowk.
But let us tell you something, Delhi hides stories that most tourists never hear.
Not on postcards, not in guidebooks, but right there, if you just know where to look. Let's start in the middle of all the chaos, Connaught Place. Tall white building, shopping, traffic, you have probably been there. But just behind these busy streets is a quiet step well called Ugra Singh Ki Baoli. It's deep, it's peaceful and a little bit mysterious. Built hundreds of years ago to store water, some say it's haunted. But stand at the top and you will see it's one of the calmest corners in Delhi.
Now let's move to the most powerful address in the country, Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President's house. Big gates, British architecture, changing of the guards. But what you won't see on the tour is what's underneath. A secret bunker built during the Cold War in case of emergencies. Most locals don't know about it. Either it's not open to the public, and that just makes it more interesting. Next we go to a place almost forgotten, a huge fort full of thorns and silence, Tughlaqabad Fort. Built in the 1300s to be a powerful city, it now feels like a ghost town, and maybe that's not a coincidence. A saint cursed it. They say that it would never be lived in, and today all you will find there are broken stones and stories in the wind.
But Delhi is not just one city, it is many cities layered on top of each other. Historians say that there were 7 old cities before this modern one, each built by a different king, each with its own walls, markets and palaces.
From Lal Kot to Shahjahanabad, they all rose and fell, but their ruins still remain. So when you walk through Delhi, you are actually walking through centuries of change. Close to Firoz Shah Kotla is a gate with a dark past, Khuni Darwaza, the bloody gate. It was once the site of royal executions and British killing. Today people say it's haunted. Even if you don't believe in ghosts, you can still feel a chill in the air when you pass by.
Long ago, Delhi had something beautiful, a canal system. It was built during the Mughal time. It brought water into gardens, homes and palaces. Most of it is gone now, but you can still find some traces near Purana Killa if you look closely. And finally, let's visit Hauz Khas. Today it's known for hip cafes and designer shops, but originally it was a razor wire built by Alauddin Khilji in the 13th century. A royal tank surrounded by tombs and mosques. Even now, if you come early morning, you might see deer wandering around just like in the old days.
Delhi doesn't just tell one story, it tells hundreds, all at once. Some loud, some quiet, some proud, some painful. So next time you are here, don't just visit, listen, look closer.
And if you would like to explore the real Delhi, the one beyond the guidebooks, we would love to show it to you.
Join one of our tours at Reality Tours and Travel, and let's discover the hidden side of this incredible city together.